Alright, we got the AA header on here to test. Everything else is completely in stock form, stock muffler, stock tune. We've just extended the RPM rev limit to go through the dyno test. You can see it. This is AA header here. Bolts are pretty tight to get on. Just be aware of that. And here's the other headers we've been testing. So let's go into this run and show you what's up. On the graph here we have the red dotted line is the stock header, just so you have something to compare it to. The orange, you can see it there, that's airflow. AFR is green, and then manifold pressure is this blue line. So without further ado, let's go into 3 runs and then we'll average them out and show you what the average is. And stock rev limit does end at 8650. I am running considerably out further than that. So let's show you what this thing does. We'll let it stabilize, and then we'll take off. Here it is on the graph. We're just going to take the other stuff off. We'll compare the other stuff at the end. But there, red line is stock. Black line is the last run with AA. Looks like first run I made 236.9. Right in that 8500 to 8725. But remember, stock rev limit is 8650. So it is looking like this thing should have a tune with it. We do have tunes available for these headers, but we're just showing you what they do in stock form. Right out to 9,000. You can see the header does glow on these. If you see your header glowing, it is normal. So let's go into one more, then we'll average them out. So it was 3 runs back to back. Very consistent results. Let's go over and we can look at the last one and then we'll average it out. So the last one was, looks like 237 at 8325, and it maintained 237 something until 8725. So kind of looks like that 83 to 8700 is your sweet spot for this header. Now I'm going to average these out and I'll be right back at your hand. And we got the average put together here. So, and you can see like the average pretty much is the same as the last run. So we have right in here is our horsepower. Peak torque on these does happen quite a bit earlier. The torque continuously fades on the Pro R, and I mean, it kind of peaks out back in the 7,500 RPM range, but you're going to want to come up through that pretty quick. It does give up a little bit down low. That's the thing with headers, is you can make them more efficient one place, but usually they lose efficiency in another place. So that's one of the main reasons that we didn't really get into the header on this one. The stock one does work pretty good, and for the money, we couldn't really justify selling a header to a customer when we can put in a set of cams and gain 30 horse. So this is the AA header compared to stock, and make sure you like the channel, subscribe, and follow all the videos that I'll be having coming out here, because in the next video I'm actually going to compare all the different headers, what the look of them is, and maybe some functions of them, and then also compare the dyno graphs, and then we'll compare everything to stock and show you what that's about. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that stuff. That's it. Joey Stroop over and out.